The Bed Extender HD Sport is a great option for those of us that like a little more space in the truck bed. If you have a short truck bed like this new Ram, the Bed Extender HD Sport is a must. When it's flipped open, you gain an extra 24 inches of enclosed cargo space. That is 2 feet more to help fit lumber, ladders, camping gear, or whatever you need to haul. A feature of the Bed Extender HD Sport is that it's dual purpose. When you flip the bed extender into the truck bed, you can close the tailgate and it gives you an enclosed area to store smaller tools, tackle boxes, gas cans, or even groceries. That way, if it's something you need to access quickly, you won't have to chase it all around your truck bed. It's right there within arm's reach. Then, when you need the extra space, just flip the bed extender back out, clip the safety straps, and load up. Built rugged, the tubes are made from a strong aluminum alloy, and the uprights are a glass reinforced nylon composite. And the bed extender isn't just for short bed trucks. Even with a long bed, you will be able to utilize the 2 extra feet for kayaks and more. If you want to learn more about the Bed Extender HD Sport by AMP Research or need help with installation, check out the store locator on screen or in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage. But until then, keep on exploring and have fun out there.